Hello, hello, Algebra 1. How are you this morning? This is Mrs. W coming to you straight from the Next Tech Math Room. Okay, so today we're going to be learning about how to multiply a monomial times a monomial and also a monomial times a polynomial. Okay, so those two things. And if you refer to your workbook, this is all practiced on page 52. So here we go. Let me flip the page here. Okay, so when you're doing a monomial times a monomial, so let's make up a monomial. Okay, and we're going to multiply that by another monomial. Okay, so what you want to do is do one thing at a time. Okay, do the numbers first. So 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And then do one variable at a time. Okay, so I see x's here in both. So combine them. So we got 2x's here, and we got 3x's here. So together they make 5x's. Now here I have n's, and here I have p's. So the n's have nobody to combine with, and the p's have nobody to combine with. So they just are on their own. And there's your answer. Okay, so it's negative 15, x to the 5th, n to the 3rd, p. Okay, let's do another one of those. Trying to hold the camera and write at the same time. It's interesting. Never done this before. Okay, so let's do the numbers first. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. Okay, then I see x's here and x's here. So 2 and 3 makes 5. I also have n's matching. So n to the 3rd, so I got 3 n's here, 1 more n here, so I have 4. And then 1m with no m's here to match, so he just kind of hangs on for the ride here. So that's your answer. Okay, so these skills are going to be practiced on page 52 at the top for that assignment in week 8-9 of your Google Classroom. All right, so let's flip the page again. All right, so a monomial times a polynomial now, okay? So let's put a monomial down. Oh no, you guys know about the lights here in my room. They just go off when I'm still for too long. Okay, and then we need a polynomial, like 2x minus, I don't know, 4xn. Okay, now this should look familiar because this is based on a skill you already know how to do. You see parentheses and you should think distributing. But now you're distributing not only the 3, but the x to the squared and n to the squared on this and this. Okay? So you're going to do this, and then you're going to do this. Okay? So we already learned how to do a monomial to a monomial. So we know how to multiply these two things. So do the numbers first. 6, combine your x's. I see 3 of them. And the n squared comes along for the ride. Now we're multiplying a positive times a negative, because you're doing the 3 and the 4. 3 times the negative 4, which is negative 12. I got 2 x's here and another x here, so I have 3 of them. And then I have 2 n's here, 1 n here, and that's 3 of them. Okay, are these like terms? No. This has 3 x's, 2 n's. This has 3 x's, 3 n's. Leave it alone, you're done. Okay, so this skill is practiced at the bottom of 52. And if you have something like on 52, number 2, something like that, well, it doesn't matter how many things are in here, okay? It's a trinomial here. It doesn't matter. You're still distributing this onto this, then this onto this, then this onto this. So your answer is going to be negative 2x to the 4th plus 6x to the 3rd plus 4x squared. Okay, none of those are like terms, so that just would be your answer, like it is. Okay? Hope this helps, and I'll see you in class. Bye.